Alright guys, so we've got one of these sun power inverters. They're also Aurora inverters, but we're going to show you guys, it's thrown an E031 code, and we're going to show you guys how to fix that really quickly, okay? We've already got it flipped over. We've disconnected the back panel, we've disconnected the screws here, and then we open this up and we have our chip that connects right here, okay? But there's two burnt modules here that we're gonna chisel out and resolder and see if that'll do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna use our super advanced tools here and chisel and scrape out the burnt parts and get down to the actual metal on the board. Alright guys, so because this is a hack channel, we left all of our soldering tools at another place, but we've got a map torch, we've got a screwdriver, and then we've got some solder here. So we're going to do this the hack way. Alright, so we got these two big old things right here done. We're gonna hook it back up and see if it works. Alright guys, so we just finished putting it all back together, and we rigged it up real quick. We do so many solar tests that we've got just a little makeshift 220 line, and this will either work or it won't. Guys, it sounds like it's working to me. Yep, it is working. And guys, that's how you repair one of these old sun power or Aurora inverters.